This is a list of drugs for poisoning treatment. Paracetamol poisoning, N-Acetyl cysteine. Organophosphate poisoning, Atropine and pralidoxime. Methanol poisoning, Fomepizole or hemodialysis. Ethylene glycol poisoning, Fomepizole or hemodialysis. Methotrexate toxicity, Folinic acid. Warfarin poisoning, vitamin K. Heparin poisoning, Protamine sulfate. Iron poisoning, Deferoxamine. Copper poisoning, D-Penicillamine or zinc acetate. Carbamate poisoning, Atropine. Calcium channel blocker poisoning, calcium gluconate or calcium chloride. Anticholinergic drug poisoning, Physostigmine. Methylxanthines or theophylline poisoning, beta blocker. Ergot alkaloid poisoning, sodium nitroprusside. Alpha-1 agonist poisoning, phentolamine. Beta-2 agonist poisoning, propranolol, contraindicated in asthma patients. Carbon monoxide poisoning, hyperbaric oxygen therapy. Beta blocker poisoning, glucagon. Tricyclic antidepressant, TCA, poisoning, sodium bicarbonate. Isoniazid, INH, poisoning, vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Cyanide poisoning, cyanocate, hydroxycobalamin. Or cyanide antidote kit, amyl nitrite, sodium nitrite, and sodium thiosulfate. Opioid overdose, naloxone.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscription button. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below in the comments section.